I got this the other day because I want to try to organize my garage. My garage is a mess. I'm tired of looking for stuff. I got it all over the place. So I'm trying to keep all my automotive stuff together. You know, like the towel and also my duct tape and tie wraps, my arm oil and Windex and all the stuff I use for my vehicles. So I'm going to unbox this and show you what it looks like. And if you want to purchase one, just look in the description below or the drop down. So this is your little bracket right here for your shop towel. And in this box also you got some screws, and you also got a little Allen key to mount this onto this bracket, and you got your screws for the wall. So this is everything that's in the package. It's real simple. It's not nothing much to it. And when I finish putting this together, I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you what it looks like in my garage. And it's really simple to do. Just go ahead and take this little bracket right here and take your two mounts right there and put them in the bottom, and you got some Allen keys. And like I said, the Allen key tool comes with it, so you really don't need any tools to put this together. But this is the instructions right here. You can go through the manual. It's about 4 or 5 pages. It's not that much. And the only thing you need when you getting ready to put this together in your garage, you need a drill. You may need a stud finder, a level, a tape measure, a pencil, a pen, and that's all you're gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. You take this little bracket right there, and it lines up right in those slots. Make sure you got it turned the right way so that when you get ready to put your paper towel on, you could just hook it. You see how I got it turned right there? So I'm gonna take my little small screw right there. I'm gonna screw it in, and I'm gonna tighten it down with that Allen key. And once I finish that one, I'm gonna put the other one on also. And this is how this go on. You just put your paper towel on there, and then just hook your little bracket on the hook, and that's it. So let's take a measurement right here. If you go across this, the length is 17 inches long, and the width is 8.5 inches wide. So it's not a lot of space, but it's enough for what I need it for. And I try not to keep too much stuff, but I got too much stuff in my garage anyway. So it's 17 by 8.5. So this is what it looks like in my garage after I mounted everything up. So I got that organized. If I need anything for my cars, arm oil, Windex, duct tape, tie wraps, my funnel for my gas or oil, everything's right there. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.